I'm going to resume. Okay, everybody, so we're going to talk about homework first. I'm going to just talk about Athene's homework. 1 second. So let me just see if I can put it back to the How do I show it to you? 1 second. You know what? I just write it on the screen. Okay. So I'm going to write it on the screen. Can you see it, everybody? So first of all, I'm just going to review a couple of the, so 2x plus y equals 7 and 2x plus 5y equals 19. Okay, so Ava, I want to ask you, in order to do those questions, we're going to compare this equation, the second equation with the first equation, right? So how many y has been added up?
Like in total,
Mm-hmm.
there's 6 y's in total.
Yeah, but compare with equation 1 and equation 2, how many y has been added up?
4.
Very good. And how many numbers has been added up? 12. Okay, so you can just think about this, or you just simply using equation 2 minus equation 1. So 2x minus 2x equals no x, 5y minus y equals 4y, and 19 minus 7 equals 12. So y equals 3. Get it, everybody? Ryan? Okay, so let's just to review a little bit, okay? Just to review a little bit. So next one, this one is hard. 9x plus 7y equals 135. So 4x plus y equals 41. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So Ryan, so by simply minus them, 9x minus 4x equals 5x, 7y minus y equals 6y. Can we directly get the answer already? No, because our target is get rid of one variables. Understand, Ava? So in order to do that, we need to make the number before y or before x the same. Then we minus them. One of the variable is going to be missing, going to be eliminated. Okay, I think you did really good, okay? So how to do this? So Ava, in order to get rid of x, you need to times 4 and times 9, right? So both of the equation need to be changed. I don't want to do that. By change y is much easier because you don't have to touch anything for this one. You can just times what? Times 7 for this one. Get it? Athene, a little bit mistakes, okay? A little bit mistakes. Michael, are you still with me? I cannot see you. Oh yeah, you're here. Michael, if you have any questions, please stop me and let me know, okay?
No, I don't have questions.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so get it, everybody? So this one became 28x plus 7y equals 227. Get it? Okay, then you minus them. So my question is, why I move this one on top, not bottom? It's because you can see 7y is going to be eliminated, but x is going to be remain, right? And everybody, you can see 28x is bigger than 9x. Okay, Ava, when we do those questions, Enzo, when we do those questions, the big possibility of going to make mistakes is you're going to times 7 for this term, you're going to times 7 for this term, but you forgot times 10 for this 7 on this term. So every single term you need to times 7. Okay, so 28x minus 9x equals 19x. So 7y minus 7y, there's no y. And 287 minus 135 equals 152. Get it? Okay, so x equals what? X equals 8, sorry. So when x equals 8, we put it back because the original one is 4x plus y equals 41, right? So 4 times 8 plus y equals 41. So y equals 41 minus 32 equals 9. Mhm. Get it, everybody? Okay, because I saw some of the student is making mistakes, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that you don't understand it. It means that you're not understand it thoroughly, okay? But it's okay. Eva, do you understand? Eva, understand? It's okay, okay. I'm going to explain again. I'm going to explain again.
I understand.
Okay, but just making when we do it, still need to just more practice, right? So let's do this one. Okay, everybody? X plus 2y equals 21. 3x plus 5y equals 56.
We have to send the answer to.
Yes, please. Okay, so I'm going to explain this one, okay? So, Ryan, x and 3x, 2y and 5y. Let me ask you, you're going to change x or change y? This is very
I would
important.
do
okay? You want to remain x or remain y. How about we do that? Do you want to eliminate x or you want to eliminate y?
X.
Very good. And we want to get rid of x. Good job, okay? The reason we want to get rid of x is because when we get rid of the x, we only need to times 3 for every single term. So 3x plus 6y equals 63. Correct, Michael? Okay, so 3x minus 3x equals no x, 6y minus 5y equals y, and 63 minus 56 equals 7. So y equals 7. So when y equals 7, x plus 2 times 7 equals 21. So x equals 14. Sorry, 21 minus 14. X also equals 7. Get it, everybody? If you have any questions, please ask me. So let's take a look at next one, okay? So we're going to do this one. So 5x plus 5y equals 65. And 7x plus 7y equals 203. So how do we do this one? Okay, so before we do this, I want you to emphasize everybody study the question first. 好，有些小朋友说这里5，这里5，这里7，这里7。Yeah, can we simplify first? Can we simplify first? Okay, so everybody, when we see 5, 5, and 5, so we can times every number on the every single term. We can also what, Ava and Enzo? We can also divide. Divided by what? Divided by 5. So 5x divided by 5 equals x. 5y divided by 5 equals y. And 65 divided by 5 equals 13. And 7x, 7y, and 203 equals what? Divided by 7 is x plus y equals what? 29. Get it, everybody? Okay. So this question actually is not solvable because x plus y cannot equal 13 and cannot equal 29 at the same time. This is impossible. Okay, but we can do that. The thing is, I want you to show you that when you have something like in common, I want you to know that you can also simplify them as well first. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so 8x plus 4y equals 56. And x plus 4y equals 21. There are actually two ways of doing that because you can what? You can directly minus them and also you can simplify. For this one, simplify is not useful. Okay, so this one simplify is not useful. Why? Ava, because 4y minus 4y, you can directly get rid of y, right? You don't have to like simplify ax, 4y, and 56. If you want to, you can divide it by 4 for each of them, right? But let's do it first, and let's take a look at some questions that you need to simplify first, okay? So 3x plus 6y equals 24, and 9x plus 5y equals 46, okay? So let's do the first question first, then we study the second one, okay? Okay, so first of all, for the first question, Enzo, did you just directly minus them? Because 4 and 4y is the same, right? So 7x equals 35, so x equals 5, right?
Yes.
So basically it's 5 plus 4y equals 21. So 4y equals 16, y equals 4. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this one, I want everybody check 3x, 6y, and 24. Enzo, did you see anything in common?
The 3x and the 9x.
No. Yeah, you can see 3x, but I want you to simplify this one. Learn the simplify as well.
Mm, 3x and 6y.
3x, 6y, and 24. They have the factor of 3. This one have the factor of 2 and 3. And this one have the factor of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Get it? So what's in common? 3. Get it? So we can change this one into x plus 2y equals 8. Correct, everybody? Okay, so with this one, I can times 9 for, sorry, times 9, times 9, times 9. Okay, so equals 9x plus 18y equals 72. So minus them, 13y equals 26. So y equals 2. And we put it back. So x plus 2 times 2 equals 8. So x equals 4. So y equals 2, x equals 4. Get it, everybody? Okay, so when we do those questions, Anthony, Michael, we learned sometimes we can what? We simplify first, then we calculate it. Okay, so let's take a look at this question. So this question, if without the calculation, without the simplify, it's going to be super big, the number. But if you simplify first, then you do it, it's going to be easy. So everybody, please do this question yourself. 9x plus 3y equals 99. Ava, Ryan, Athene, Michael, and Enzo, take a look, okay? So which number is in common? 93, 99, which number in common?
Harry, does that say 14x or 4x?
4x. Okay, so Ava, Enzo, remember, okay, simplify first. Simplify first. Okay, so divided by 3. Ava, Ryan, Athene, Michael, did you finish? 3x plus y equals 33. Okay, so now, in order to get rid of y, very easy, we times 7. Okay, so equals 21x plus 7y equals 231. And I copy this down. 4x plus 7y equals 95. So 6, 3, and 1. So 17x equals 136. So x equals 8. Okay, so when x equals 8, so Ava, if we don't have this one, we directly go back to this one. There's going to be a more calculation involved, right, Ryan? Understand? But we can just simply go back to this one. So 3 times 8 plus y equals 33. So
33.
24 plus y equals 33. So y equals 9. 对吧？Ava 做对了，对不对？好了，我问你们啊，这个数字变得越大，Ava 太开心。OK，数字变得越大是好事还是坏事啊？It's easier for us to making mistakes. Understand, Athene? So if we can simplify it, we make it easier. So that's a better way of doing that. That is a better way of doing that. Understood? OK, Athene, Ansel，明白了吗？好，我们一定要学会这个
好
啊。OK, so 1 second, let me just open this, OK? 因为这个部分啊，this one is the most hardest one. So later on, we're gonna after we learn this one, we learn how to use it. 我们可以用应用题来做这个，OK? So word problem, a lot of word problem can solve those problems really, really easy. So let me just how to make them bigger. Page layout, page. Review, OK. 我想把它变成只有一页的
Like zoom in?
Yeah.
One page. Let me. I
Oh,
don't have-
yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Ryan. Okay, so let's take a look at, let me just find out a num question. Okay, let's take a look at number 44. Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at number 44. Can we simplify this question as well? Can we do it the simplify? Okay, let's do the number 44 first. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Though the number, the other side is 0. Ava, Ryan, Athene, we can still simplify divided by what? Divided by 2. So we have what? 5x minus 4y equals 0. Understand, Michael? Michael 到哪去了？ Michael 在不在？ Correct? Okay, so now I don't have to times 4, but I only times what? Times 2 for this one, right? So 6x minus 4y equals 4. Correct? So you minused it, so x equals 4. And when x equals 4, y equals what? So 3 times 4 minus 2y equals 2. So negative 2y equals negative 10. So x equals 5. Oh, sorry, y equals 5. Get it, boys and girls? 哦，不懂，那重新做一遍，好吧? Okay, let me just do it again. Okay, so first of all, we can just simply do times 4 for each of the term for the next one, but I just want you to practice how to simplify first, okay, Ava? I want you to take a look at the first equation, 10x minus 8y equals 0. Michael, all of them can divide by 2 for both left side and right side, Ava, right? So we can times the same thing for each left side and right side. We can also divide it by the same thing for the left side and right side. So the first equation, if we divide it by 2 equals 5x minus 4y equals 0. Do you get it? Mhm. Mhm. Understand, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 3x and 5x, you need to times 3 and times 5. And 2y and 4y is easier, right? So we times 2 times 2, both left side and right side. So 6x minus 4y equals 4. Get it, everybody? Get it, everybody? Okay, minus it. So x equals 4.
Wait, how do we know it's times 2?
Because we need to get rid of y, Ava. So
Oh.
here, yeah, because y is easier. If you want to get rid of x, you need to this one times 5, this one times 3, right? But if we want to get of y, you only 9 times 2 is good enough. Understand? Understand, everybody? Okay, so if you understood, we just to practice another one, okay? So let's just to practice another one. Then we move forward, okay? Let's take a look at a new one, 41. Okay, let's take a look at number 141. And we're going to do number 49 because number 49 is different. Number 49, if you take a look at this one, this is plus, this is minus. Okay, I'm going to explain this one later, and also number 55. So let's take a look at 41 first. Okay, everybody, you have 2 minutes. Try to do it yourself. And Ryan and Athene, Michael, everybody, please send the answer to me. Okay, by chat.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, of course.
Miss Carrie,
Mhm.
have you ever received the answers I've given
Yeah,
you?
yeah, I received yours, Michael. Good job. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so the first question,
Oh.
I'm going to help you a little bit. You need to take the bracket out. So 2x plus y minus 5y equals 2. This one, we can change it to 2x minus 4y equals 2, right? And the first one, the second one is 2x minus 5y equals 0. Correct, everybody? Do you have this one in common? Okay, so after that, Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Michael has sent it to me. Enzo has sent it to me. Okay, so first of all, Ryan and Athene, this is totally different, okay, because it's minus. Okay, so 2x minus 2x, no x, no problem. Negative 4y minus negative 5y equals what? Everybody, I want you to take a look at this one. It's minus, okay? So 2x minus 2x, there's no x, no problem. Negative 4y minus negative 5y actually equals negative 4y plus 5y. Understand, Athene? Michael? Okay, so this part is hard, okay? So it's y equals 2. Enzo, good job, okay? Enzo, good job. Okay, Michael, take a look, okay? So it's negative 4y minus negative 5y equals y equals 2. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now I put it back to the equation. So when y equals 2, so 2x minus 10 equals 0. So 2x equals 10 and x equals 5.
Carrie.
Mm-hmm.
So does the brackets make any difference other than having like
Yeah, the bracket is not doing anything because you just to take it out, right? Because the bracket is in front of this. If it is 2x minus y plus x, so everything's different. It's 2x minus y minus x, right? But this one is actually easier.
So then x would equal 5, right?
Yes, yes, x equals 5. Get it, everybody? Okay, when you see the negative, it's totally different. So let's take a look 49. So 49 is the same thing, okay? So Ava, let's see, 5x plus 3y equals 2, and 2x minus y equals 3. So 2x. So times what? Times 3. Okay, so we have 5x plus 3y equals 2, and the second one equals 6x minus 3y equals 9, correct? Okay, so Ava and Enzo and Thane, Ryan and Michael, I want you to see, so 5x and 6x and the 3y, positive 3y and negative 3y. In order to get of y, we need to plus them or minus them.
minus?
Plus. Ava, 3x plus negative 3y. So positive 3y minus 3y equals no y. Get it? 我们以前把它减的时候是两个前面的号是一样的，就把它减。如果两个前面的号不一样，怎么样？一个 positive，一个 negative。So Michael is what? Is plus them together. Okay, so you plus them equals what? 11x equals 11. Get it, Ava? So x equals 1 and y equals what? You put it back this one. So 2 minus y equals 3. So y equals what? Y equals negative 1. 这个地方要稍微注意一下了 ，OK? Understand everybody? Okay, so if you understand this one, you can do 55. If you don't understand, stop me and ask me any question about 41 and 49.
$49.
Yeah. You 49 and 41. If you fully understand, you can do 55. Okay, everybody, 51, 50, sorry, 55. If you have any questions, you can just let me know, okay?还没有人做出来，要不要老师帮一下忙？ Do you need my help? Can I help you a little bit, everybody? So just times 2 for both left side and just times 2 for both left side and right side, okay? So 6x minus 4y equals 10. And 7x minus 4y equals 11. 这个一样呀。So you minused it. So x equals 1. This one's no problem at all. Why you're having mistakes, having problem with that? 这倒不是跟以前一样的，怎么大家都做不出来？Okay, so let's take a look at number 43 and 50. Okay, number 43 and 50. Number 43 and 50.
Wait, Carrie, if x equals 1,
Mm-hmm.
then 3x minus 2y, I don't think it would
5y.
equal 5.
So 3 minus 5y equals 2, right?
What?
Right? No, x equals, sorry, 56, right? Is it 56? No, 55, sorry.
No, it's
Yeah,
55.
Yes, 3 minus 2y equals 5, correct?
Yeah, but if
Yeah.
if x equaled 1, then
Yeah.
3 minus
3x equals
2y.
3. 3 minus 2y equals 5, correct? Is it? Ava, we're
What?
back to this one. I'm sorry. 55, x equals 1, right?
Yeah.
So the first one, 3 minus 2y equals 5, correct? X equals 3. 3 times 1 equals, so x equals 1. 3 times 1 equals what?
3 times 1 equals 3.
3, right? 3 minus 2y equals what? So 3 minus 2y equals 5, right? So let me ask you, negative 2y equals what? Equals 5 minus 3, correct?
Understood.
Yeah. So
Uh,
negative 2y
uh,
equals 2. So y equals what? Negative 1.
okay.
Correct? Anybody understand? Okay, so 43 and 50. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. Okay, Athene has sent it to me, the answer. Athene, did you put the answer back to the every single question? If it is right, it is right. Okay, I think you're doing it already, right? You put it back to the equation. Yes, they're right. Okay, good job. Michael and Ryan, remember when you finish the question, please remember to put it back. Okay, everybody, I'm going to just explain. Athene has told me the two answers. The rest of you, Michael, 别的小朋友怎么样？都不会做吗？我着急了啊！50和43两道题目应该不会很难。50 and 再给大家2分钟时间啊。
Carrie. Carrie.
Yes?
Can you show me the method because I wasn't really looking.
Yeah, I will show you. Okay, no problem.
No, yeah, I wasn't really looking.
Looking what? Number 43 and number 50? Yeah, I'm going to explain this question for all of you.
No, but once you explain to me, I don't know how to answer it though.
You don't know how to answer it?
No, okay. Okay, I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to figure out, I was trying to figure out by myself, but so I wasn't really paying attention to how you showed us before.
Oh, okay, no problem. So can I explain it? So I'm going
Sure.
to explain, yeah, so 43, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at 43, okay? So, Ava, Enzo, so we have 7 here. So you have two options, okay? The option is we can get rid of x, but let's take a look at this one. This question is very tricky. They actually have an 7x plus 2y and y minus 6x. 看到没有？很坏的啊，对不对？所以要怎么样？7x plus 2y equals 21 and negative 6x plus y equals 1. Get it? Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, so now I want to get rid of y or x, obviously y, right? I don't like y. So for this one, very easy. I times 2 for each of the term. So it's negative 12x plus 2y equals 2. Get it, everybody? So minus it, okay? Everything is the same. 2y minus 2y, no y. 21 minus 2 equals 19, no problem. The only part is this part, okay? So let's take a look at this one. 7x minus negative 12x equals what? 19x. Everybody, I'm going to stop here, okay? When we do this, it's always 7x minus 7x, so there's no x. You can see the sign before y is the same. 看到没有, Elaine? Sorry, Ava. Why I'm calling you Elaine all the time today? So, Ava, 主要是你今天吃东西肯定吃的太开心了。Okay, so 2y 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 minus 2y equals 0y. But 7x is minus negative 12. Understand? So it's positive 19. Get it, Ava? So x equals 1. So when x equals 1, negative 6x plus y equals 1 equals negative 6 plus y equals 1, right? So y equals what? Y equals 7. Good job, Michael. Okay, so I think 你肯定是有一个地方有一点点算错了，对不对？别的地方都对的，对不对啊？别的地方都对的。Okay, Michael, very good. Okay, 我们现在来做一下 50. Okay, everybody did 50. Okay, Michael,
I don't have
Progress.
to.
Ryan, good job. Ryan, good job for the first one. Let's take a look at 50, okay,
No,
Ryan?
I not yet. Let's.
Fifty. Get rid of X or get rid of Y?
Why?
Done.
Okay, 好，Michael 发给老师了，OK? Very good, Athene. Athene, you did it already. Very good. And Michael, if you put it back, you're gonna think like the answer is actually right, right? So let's take a look at this one. So 9x minus 3y equals 12. I want everybody study this one first. Ava? 9, 3, 12. Do they have anything in common?
They're all factors of 3. They're all multiples of 3.
They're all multiple of 3. Yes. So can we do?
They can all be divided by 3.
Thank you. So 3x minus y equals 4. Correct, everybody? Okay, so now we have another one. 2x plus y equals 6. Okay, so now everybody, I want you to remember this, okay? When the sign is different, plus them. When the sign is same, minus them. So for this one, you plus them, you eliminate y. So y and y are gone. So because negative y plus positive y equals no y, 3x plus 2x equals 5x equals 10. So x equals 2. Get it, everybody? Okay, so 2. So this y, we can just put it back. So 6 minus y equals 4. So y equals 2 as well. Get it, everybody? Okay, Michael and Athene, very good. Okay, you did a very good job. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, do you understand, everybody? If you don't understand, please stop me, okay? And let me know. So now let's take a look at number 47, okay? Number 47. Now there's a little negative sign in front of it. Okay, Ryan? Ava, okay? Okay, everybody, take a look, okay? I want you to get rid of y for this one. You must get rid of y first.老师去上个厕所啊。All right, Enzo finished. Good job. Enzo, did you put your answer back?
Oh, I'm almost done.
Okay. Okay, so Enzo finished. Ava, 加油，Ava，加油。
I need to go go to class. It starts at 6.
啊，现在又提前了吗？
不是一直都是平时不是4点15上，所以我有15分钟 to get to class。可是今天因
今天晚
为
了一点，对对对，今天晚了一点。可是不对啊，你不是哦，OK。I'm sorry， 我
So
们就是下个
it's
星期再
okay.
早一点。
Okay, thank you.
Okay, last question, okay, everybody? 你跟你妈妈说，我们下次再早点开始。我今天电脑坏掉，哎，搞了半天才弄好，好吗
I also have to
Okay.
go.
？OK，啊，你 Ryan，你干嘛
Class,
？What class？
golf.
OK，好的，我们下次都提前15分钟开始吧，好不好？Everybody？
Okay.
OK，好。
Okay.
Last question. So let's take a look at this one. OK，
Bye bye.
回来看录像啊，最后一道题看录像好吗
Okay.
？OK. So time 3. So 3x.
Bye.
Sorry. Times 4. So 4x plus 12 equals
Bye.
4x plus 12 equals negative 20. Okay, so 9x minus 12y equals negative 8. Correct, Michael? Okay, so plus them, okay? This one plus them. Okay, so 13x equals negative. 我是不是算错了？
I think 13x equals negative 13. No, wait. No, I did 13y. I first got rid of x because it was easier.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I just oh, it's here. This one I got it wrong. It's
I
time
first got rid of x because it's
3,
easier.
6. Yes. You're right. Negative 26. So x equals negative 2. So, okay. So everybody, you have a little bit of mistakes here is negative 2. So y equals negative 2 plus 3y equals negative 5. So y equals negative 1. Okay, get it? So it's a teensy bit different. Okay, so there's negative signs here. 大概没看清楚你们，这里有个 negative sign. Get it? It's a negative sign here. Okay, everybody. So that's it for today's class. We're going to still learn how to using the different ways of doing the. I think 你怎么弄的？你这怎么弄的？你这个上面？ Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're gonna send the homework and everything into the chat so we can just do it. Okay, everybody, that's it. Have a wonderful night. Okay, bye-bye.